Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Fidelity app. First, open the Fidelity app on your iPhone and sign in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon or menu button, usually at the top corner. Then go to the setting or security and log in to the app. Look for the option labeled Face ID, Touch ID or Biometric Login. When you see it, tap on it to open biometric setting. Now turn on the switch next to the Face ID or Touch ID. Your phone will ask to confirm using your Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the instruction on the screen to prove it. Once it's done, the app will save your biometric login. If you don't see the biometric option inside the app, don't worry. Go back to the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Fidelity and open it. And make sure your Face ID, Touch ID are enabled for the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.